3 repair tips that tailors don't reveal. Repair all kinds of zippers into minutes. After repair, it is as smooth as brand new. Hello and welcome to my Life Tips channel. Jacket jeans school bag. All suitcases are inseparable from zippers. But it's easy to malfunction on a daily basis. It's a pity to throw away the zipper just because it's scrapped. It costs money to send it out for repair. Today, I will share 3 sets of zero difficulty repair methods, without professional tools. The novice will see it at a glance. Easily solve all zipper problems. Q1. I'm sure you've all been there before. The zipper head slides out directly from the top. Many people are helpless in this situation. Fiddling with 2 hands for a long time. What's wrong with the zipper teeth? I can't put it back no matter how I put it on. The more crowded it is, the more it cannot be installed. Finally give up. In fact, there is no need to panic at all. All you need is a regular dinner fork. It's ready in 3 seconds. Let's stabilize the falling zipper head first. Snapped into the middle of the 2 forks of the forks. Clamp and hold. No need to hold hands. The forks can hold the zipper head firmly. Then pick up the 2 cloth straps of the zipper. Align the zipper tooth tips on the left and right sides respectively. Gently send it into the groove of the zipper head. You see, it's all silky and smooth. 1 second return. Usually we install the slider manually. Unsteady hands, prone to deviation. The sides are not aligned. Use wipes to assist fixation. Perfectly solve the problem of misalignment. No more manual alignment. Save time and effort. Super practical. Q2. The zipper heads of many clothes are obviously not broken, but after wearing it for a long time, the inside of the zipper head is loose. Buckle wear. The zipper clearly looks closed. Gently move your body. Bend over and raise your hand. The zipper instantly collapsed. Automatic explosion. Going out is very awkward. Teach you an invisible fix that no one knows about. It can be perfectly repaired with discarded medicine shells. It's made of light, tough material. The most suitable for repairing zippers. We compare the size of the card slot at the top of the zipper head. Cut out a piece of zipper head card. Flakes with slightly wider grooves. Then align the card positions again. See how big it needs to fit. Trim it again. Then card it in the card position. On both sides of the plastic sheet. Apply a little super glue. Not too much. Just a thin layer. Then stick the plastic sheet firmly on the notch of the card slot at the top of the zipper head. Stick positive, stick flat. Hold it steady. Let stand for tens of seconds. Wait for the glue to dry. Pay attention to anti-stick and sticky desktop during operation. After pasting, clamp a pair of ordinary pliers. Press lightly to compact. Let the plastic sheet and zipper head fit perfectly. Seamless fit. The function of this step is to fill in card head where loose gap. It is equivalent to loosening for aging. The zipper head restores the buckling force. After drying, let's test the effect again. See the details. It was originally opened as soon as it was touched. Completely unlockable zipper. Now the bite is super tight. The pull-in is smooth and not stuck. Shake and bend casually. Zipper securely locked. It will never open again. Completely invisible after restoration. It will last for several years. Super cheap. What about the first pull? There may be a slight delay. We pull a few more times. It's completely relieved. Q3 final question. 90% of people throw their clothes away. The zipper head of the jeans slides out directly as soon as it is pulled. I can't put it back no matter how I put it on. Completely unusable. In this case, the tailor usually says it can't be repaired. Only the zipper can be changed. Changing a zipper is time-consuming and expensive. Here are some tips for non-destructive repair. First, find the side of the zipper that is off the edge. We can do it on the inside of the pants. Completely obscured concealed location. Cut a small right angle notch. This position is on the inside of the clothes. What about the appearance? Completely invisible. Does not affect appearance. After making a small incision, the zipper head that was originally stuck and couldn't fit in. Easy to align. Installed smoothly. Pull it lightly and it will return to place. Silky throughout without help. Fit the zipper. After the test is smooth, take out needle and thread. Close the small gap you just cut. Edge locking reinforcement. Secure the zipper tape firmly. Many people are worried that cutting the gap will cause it to go offline and break. Don't worry at all. First, the position where we cut. Daily zippers can't touch this position at all. Won't wear out. Second, what about after sewing the edge? Secure firmly. Will not be offline. Won't crack. Third position hidden. It does not affect the overall version and aesthetics of the clothes at all. I really want to know where you are from in front of the screen. Welcome to leave a message and share in the comment area. You can meet friends from all over the world here. It's an amazing thing. If my sharing is helpful to you, click the subscribe button. There will be more practical tips waiting for you to unlock in the future. After the suture is completed, we pull the zipper all the way again. Top to bottom. Silky smooth. Tight bite. The zipper that is stripped and scrapped is directly repaired perfectly, exactly like new. No need to pay for a new one. No need for a tailor. 2 minutes to repair a piece of clothing. Save money and be practical. Never again because of a small zipper throw away beloved clothes pants. Friends who think this life coup is practical, hurry up and like the collection. Forward to family and friends. Learn to never suffer again. Update grounded home tips every day. I am Yaya. See you next time.